teaching people how to use software is a time suck. And that's why there's Tango. It's software that teaches people how to use, well, software. Check it. Let's say you need to teach your team how to use a new data tool. Just download the Tango Chrome extension and click this button here. Walk through the process like you normally would. Then click here. And bam! Look at that! A summary of every single action you just did, with perfectly cropped screenshots and descriptions. Yeah! Not only did you just save yourself a crud ton of time, but now your entire team is as trained up as you are. And that's the power of instant documentation, people. Let's Tango. Download the Chrome extension and get started with Tango. It's free.